Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create partition in Lenovo laptop, especially if you have Windows 11 operating system. So first of all, let me open my file explorer, and as you can see I have total 4 drives, and out of this drive I'm going to create my new one. So I want total size of that drive should be 100 GB, and I'm going to name that drive videos. So how I can do that? Firstly, you need to make sure that 100 GB should be free in that drive from where you are going to create the new drive. So here 137 GB is free, so I want only 100 GB. So how we can create the new drive out of this drive? First of all, we need to close the file explorer. Then here in the search bar we need to type computer management, and as soon as you find this, just click here, and here we just need to click on disk management. Then here you will see all of your drives and all of your disks connected to your PC or laptop. So I have connected SSD here, and this is my hard disk, and out of this hard disk I want to create my new drive. So how I can do that? First of all, you need to select the drive from where you want to create the new drive. So this is that drive from where I want to create new one. I'll just select that, hit right click on here shrink volume. It will take some time, and after a few seconds you will see this window, and here in this section we need to type the size. I want to create let's suppose 100 GB, so I'll just type here 1 lakh MB because we need to type that in MB. And once you do that, just click on shrink, and here you can see they have created the unlocated space, and this space we need to convert into drive. So for that, just hit right click on unlocated space. Then here you will see the option for new simple volume, so just click on here, then click on next, here again click on next, and here in this window you can assign the drive ladder whatever you like. You can just select from here. I'll just select V here, then click on next, and here you can just rename the drive label. So I want to name my drive, let's suppose videos. Then just click on next, and here we just need to click on finish, and accept these changes. You don't need to do anything. And yeah, here you can see they have created the drive. If I close the computer management and open my file explorer, you will see that they have successfully created the new drive. It is of total 97 GB. Some size they'll take for some reason, and in this new drive we can just make some folders, use it basically. Let's suppose I create new folder, and basically you can use your drive from here. And yeah guys, that's how you can create new drive in your Lenovo laptop. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.